Hey guys, today we're going to test out this two-port battery charger. This one is specifically compatible with the Dewalt 12-volt, 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. The model number for this battery charger is DCB102, and it also comes with an instruction manual that details the safety rules for the charger. It also includes details on how to operate the battery charger. And I've got two new 20-volt batteries here that we are going to test out with the battery charger. These batteries are model number DCB200 and can be used with your DeWalt power tools. I have the battery charger already plugged into the wall. There are actually two holes in the back of the battery charger if you want to hang it up on a wall in your garage, but for the purposes of this demo, we'll just sit it on a table. We'll insert each battery one at a time. All you need to do is press the button at the top while sliding the battery into the charger slot. Make sure you line up the pins to the battery. When you first insert the batteries, you'll see a flashing red light signifying the battery is newly inserted. After a short while, once the battery has initialized, the flashing red will become a solid red while it is in charging mode. If you want to check whether the batteries are charged up, there's a picture of a battery that you can press on each of the batteries, and if you see green lights, that means the battery has some charge. All three bars means the battery is fully charged. The amount of time it takes to fully charge a battery depends on how much charge the battery had to start with. If it's fully depleted, it may take a couple of hours. And what I really like about this battery charger is that it comes with a built-in overcharge, over circuit, over voltage, and overheating protection to protect the battery from damage. If you have a lot of DeWalt power tools and are constantly waiting for your batteries to charge, this battery charger will definitely help you save time.